All done, Nagua. And here's a new article about sports cars. Custom content for producing a 10-minute video using NVIDIA AI. Article title, Supercars, the ultimate combination of speed, power, and luxury. Supercars are not just machines, they are works of art, blending cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic design, and heart-pounding performance. These vehicles represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering and have become symbols of wealth, success, and engineering excellence. Let's dive into what makes these cars so special and why they continue to capture the imagination of car enthusiasts worldwide. What defines a supercar? A supercar is typically characterized by extreme speed, impressive acceleration, sleek design, and exclusive features. While there is no official definition, supercars are generally expected to exceed 200 nm, 320 km/h, in top speed and have a 0 to 60 mph time of under 3 seconds. They are built for performance, offering both power and handling that can push the boundaries of human driving capabilities. The evolution of supercars.